Have you ever picked up your phone and felt that something wasn't right? Maybe an app was already open, your battery drained faster than usual, or a setting looked different. It could be nothing, but it's always a good idea to check. In this video, I will show you 4 simple ways to check if someone has been using your Android phone without your permission. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your screen time. The first place to check is your screen time. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Digital Wellbeing and Potential Control. Tap the Screen Time chart. Here, you see how long each app has been used today. Take a close look. Do you see an app that was open when you know you weren't using your phone? For example, if you haven't opened your gallery, messages, or WhatsApp today, but they show recent activities, that is something worth checking. Screen time won't tell you who used their phone, but it can help you spot unusual activity. Now let's check another place. Step 2. Check your recent apps. Go back to your home screen. Search for recent access. Click on recent access. Look through the apps that was recently opened. Ask yourself these simple questions. Did I open all of these apps? Is there an app here I don't remember using? Was a private app opened while I was away? If you notice something unusual, close every app and keep an eye on it over the next few days. If the same thing keeps happening, someone else may be accessing your phone. Now let's check your phone's health. Step 3. Check device care. Go back. Open Settings. Tap Device Care. Allow it to load. Here you find information about battery, storage, memory, device protection. Start with battery. Tap battery. Then check battery usage. See which apps have been using the most battery. If you notice an app using a lot of battery, even though you haven't opened it, that's worth investigating. Next, go back and check memory. Too many apps running in the background can sometimes slow your phone down. Device Care helps you understand what's happening behind the scenes. Now let's check something many people forget. Step 4. Review your Android phone account activity. If you use a Samsung account, it's a good idea to check where you signed in. Open Settings. Tap your Samsung account at the top. Tap Devices or Manage Devices, depending on your software version. You will see the devices connected to your Android phone or Samsung account. Look carefully. Do you recognize every device? If you see a device you don't recognize, remove it immediately and change your Samsung account password. This is one of the easiest ways to protect your account from unauthorized access. Security tips. If you think someone has been using your phone, do these 3 things right away. Change your screen lock PIN or password. Review your app permissions. Enable fingerprint or face unlock if you haven't already. These simple steps make it much harder for someone to access your phone again. Now you know 4 easy ways to check if someone has been using your Android phone. Guys, most of the time everything will be fine. But checking these settings regularly is a smart security habit. In the next episode, I will show you how to stop us from tracking your location and protect your privacy even more. If this video helped you, give a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.